Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Question number 12 is the distance between towns is the two cars start simultaneously from these towns and move towards. The speed of one car is more than the other by 7 km per hour, and the distance between the cars after 2 hours is 34. Find the speed of the cars. Before we will take this question, let's try to understand this question diagram. Suppose that this is the distance between town A and town, and the distance between town A and town B is given the question as 300 kilometers. So this distance is given as 300 kilometers. And according to the question, two cars start simultaneously from these towns. So one car we can take it as car A, and another car we. Okay. Now the speed of one car is more than the speed of the other car by 7 kilometers. So we will take the speed, let the speed of car A as x kilometer per hour, let us assume, and the speed of car B according to the question of car B, it is 7 kilometer more come plus per hour. Now the question further, the distance, if they are moving towards each other means from point A, car is moving in this direction, and from point B or from town B, the car is in this direction towards each other. And then according to the question, after 2 hours means this car is also traveling for 2 hours, and this car is also traveling for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the distance between them is 34 kilometers. So the remaining distance between them will be is 34. Now the question is find the speed of the cars. Okay, now we will go to the question. I hope that this diagram is. Now we will take that the speed of car A is, according to the question, we have taken it as x kilometer per hour, and speed of car B have assumed it as x plus 7 kilometers plus 7 okay, and both the cars are traveling for 2 hours. We know that speed equal distance upon time. So the distance will be how much? The distance will be speed multiply time. Now the question, we will find out the distance covered by car A and the distance covered by car B. So the distance by car A or distance covered by car A, the formula is speed multiply time. So car A speed is x multiply how much time it is traveling. Car A is traveling for 2 hours. X, this is the distance. Similarly, we will find out the distance by car B, or the distance covered by the car which is at town B. Again, the formula is same, speed by time. Car B speed is x plus 7. So, x plus 7 multiply time. So, the car B is also traveling for 2 hours. It will become 1x plus 4. The question is, car A is traveling for 2 hours. It is covering some distance. Car B is also covering some distance. And after 2 hours, there is a 34 kilometer left in between. So, the concept which we have to use it here, that this distance is 34 kilometers. So, it means if we will add distance, this distance plus this distance plus this distance, this should be equals to 300. Once again, this line or this distance plus this distance plus this distance, this whole distance will be equals to this distance, that is 300. Is it clear? So, according to question, according to question, what it should be? According to question, the distance of car A, x plus 34 plus the distance of car B, that is 2x plus 4. So, this total distance, the total distance or the total line equals to 300. I think it's clear. Solve it. Come 4x plus 48 equal 3. Then 4x equal 52. X will be 52. So, cancel it. After cancelling, get x equals x equals. Now, the question is, you have to find the cars. Speed of the cars means speed of both the cars. For speed of car A equal, I have taken it as x. So, speed of car A as 6 km per hour, and what should be the speed of car B? Speed of car B equal, but we have taken speed of car B as plus 7, is x plus 7 equals to plus 7. I hope that this is clear.